A typical TV installation consists of connecting a cable from each of the various video devices like cable, satellite boxes, Blu-ray players, video game consoles, as well as a power cable directly to the TV. This can create a mess of cables and even a financial burden when longer cables are necessary. In this video, we're going to show how Samsung simplifies TV installation and tidies up the entertainment area with the innovative One Invisible Connection and One Connect box on Samsung's Q7 and Q9 QLED TVs. Samsung combines the AV signal from connected devices and power into a single slim cable that connects to the TV. This One Invisible Connection runs to the One Connect box and can be hidden with the connected devices up to 16 feet away. An optional 50-foot length cable is also available. This allows you to free up space, remove the mess of cables, and remove the need for a power outlet behind a wall-mounted TV. The One Invisible Connection is thin but durable and satisfies UL and CSA certification. By integrating all connections into the One Connect box that can be placed by the components and just one virtually invisible cable running from there to the TV, you'll experience a quick and painless installation. And if you're wall mounting the TV, it can eliminate the need for an electrician to install a power outlet behind the TV, which could save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. With One Invisible Connection, Samsung offers seamless style and incredible flexibility in installation. But for those with a pre-existing wire setup, or where this solution may not satisfy, Samsung offers the Q6 and Q8 with the clean cable solution, allowing cables to run directly to the TV while still getting excellent QLED style and picture quality.